For this service, Steve asked me to sing the song that I had written last fall when I was working at a tech company in San Francisco, and was just experiencing the newness of abundance within this tech company, but then commuting to San Francisco every day, seeing such a disparity with how people were being treated on the streets or treating each other, not really saying hello, not really caring for the homeless community and the streets. And it just got me thinking about, San Francisco is named after St. Francis, who celebrated poverty. He had a deep sense of brotherhood under God and really cherishing and loving all people and all of God's creations. So I was just researching and reading more and more about him, and I came across this legend of the Wolf of Gubbio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, it's Italian, and decided to write a song about it. So the song is called Brother Wolf.
Spreading fear all around. They curse you, accuse you, they hate you, abuse you, brother wolf. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But brother wolf, I know you're hungry, sick and sore. If we had fed you, sheltered and kept you from the storm, you know that you're safe and that you have a place, brother wolf. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. So blessings, brother wolf. Soon they will see and know. Let's make a pact, death and destruction be no more. Be free, brother wolf, can't you see what could be, brother wolf? Be free, brother wolf, can't you see what could be, brother wolf? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Be free.